Well, everyone, Dave Cook, the Franco Painting and Wallpaper. One of the things we're doing is some drywall repair today. So in this house, we have a lot of nail pops. So ceiling, there was some water damage here. So we scraped all that out and we started putting a couple screws in. So you can't really see it as well as over here. So we had a couple nails that kind of popped through there. So we put a screw in, and then every time we put a screw, a nail popped out. So we ended up going a good chunk of the way on this part of the beam because of how many nails had popped off. And then we had to pick it up again there because it's the same thing. And then the next beam, same thing. So every time we put a nail in, you get little pops where the nails are no longer secured to the wood. And so the drywall is sagging. It wasn't everywhere. So we still went through a half a box of screws through the whole house. There was some under the windows. We had some in the hallways, bedrooms. Most of them, they're a little bit everywhere, and I still didn't get them all. But you can kind of see just, if you have some issues with loose drywall and nails are popping out, just pounding nails back in aren't gonna work. You're gonna have to get a screw, and you have to screw next to that nail, or take the nail out and put a screw in its place. But I just put a screw next to it, pull the nail out, patch it, you're good. So there's a quick tip on drywall repair if you have nail pops.